First things first, turn off both sides of all the radiators. Once you've turned all the radiators off, you can then release the pressure via the combi boiler using this here. So once we've turned all the radiators off and taken the pressure out of the system, we can then undo one side. So these are closed now, so the pressure in this is dropped. These are closed. What I want to do is make sure that the water is out of here. So this has caused a vacuum now in here. What we should be able to do is take off both sides, take this radiator off, with it full of water, flip it forward, take it outside and empty it. Stick your thumb over one end, just keep the water in, and then take the other end off. Again, stick your thumb over both ends. Lift with your thumb over the ends, still full of water, and we'll go into this outside. Oh. Once that radiator's off, you can basically put it back, get it on this end, open it up, and get this pipework drained. Well, what's in the pipework, a tiny amount. Now that's done, we can basically take these valves off, put the thermostat valve on, and then on the other one, the lock shield. Use that to get the old olive off. Use a bit of Boss Whites around this olive to make a better watertight seal. Put some on the pipe. The olive up. And put some around the olive. We can do the same with the other one. Now that this radiator is dressed, we can basically get it lined up and see where the brackets are going to go. So you want to line the tails at the bottom with the actual inserts of the valve. And then if we look down the back, you can see the brackets here and here. So basically we want to centerise on these. So we just push it back to the wall and mark on the wall there. So we can see we have a mark here for one centre, another for that centre. Now it's a little bit different. To get the height of the radiator, we need to consider where the bottom of the brackets are. So when doing the brackets, you place the brackets on the back of the radiator. You need to see how far from the bottom of the radiator to the bottom of the bracket is, because we're lining the bottom of the bracket up with the pipework. We need to basically go about a centimetre below that. And use a spirit level. Get that mark along, and then again using your spirit level, you can do the middle of the brackets down. And that's where our brackets will sit. So the brackets will go in the centre of the bracket coming out. So this is the centre, and then the bottom of the bracket will fit on this bottom line. So you have it like that. There you go, so you've got the holes ready to be drilled. So because these are tiles, I'm going to be using a tile drill bit. And then finishing it off with an hole. So what I was doing there is knocking the plugs past the tiles and into the brick wall behind. Washer on your screw. And then you need to line these up with the marks that you've got on there. Now these brackets on the wall, you get these in the packet, you need to take them off and put them in where the radiator sits, because this will stop the radiator from creaking when it heats up and expands. So this side here, because this radiator is a bit shorter, because the other one was an imperial measurement where this is metric, we can then use this extension tail, cut it to the right length and attach this. So once these have been tightened up, we need to turn on the water, get it pressurised up, check for any leaks, which obviously there shouldn't be. So once you've got pressure in the system, you can open the valves and then bleed the air out via the bleed tap. And that's it, that's how you install a new radiator. Remember, like, subscribe, give us a comment, and I'll see you again soon.